don't worry about this rocking. Put it tight here so this camera will fit. Okay. Okay. This one over here, we got a filler. Got a filler over here, so let's. Good morning, everyone. It's a pretty morning, and we're getting ready to get started on setting some cabinets. We went this morning, picked up our cabinets. You see right here, got our stock cabinets from box store. They're not, terribly expensive. They're not the highest quality, but they'll work. We'll stain them up and make them look good, and we're going to get them installed today. We're going to go ahead and bring them in, get them set. Hopefully we'll get them all done today. We'll see what happens, and then once we get that done, we'll be ready for our flooring. Well, as luck would have it, I had a lot of my video didn't get saved for whatever reason. Had a glitch, it didn't get saved. So I didn't get to capture everything on video today. I did get my upper cabinets, so we'll be including those in the video. I did go and I picked up my flooring for the house today, and you can see this is it right here. It's a vinyl laminate. It's the interlocking kind. It's quite simple to install. All you have to do is you take these two pieces. We'll let the truck get by with the loud exhaust, but you take the two pieces and they just snap together. This stuff scores real easy with a knife, and it just snaps in two. So hopefully that'll be the next project we get going on. But I'll do a real quick rundown on what we got done today. You saw some of the work that we did with the overheads, setting the overheads. Unfortunately, setting all the base cabinets was lost, and maybe I'm just, well, I was going to say technologically incompetent, but what do you expect from an IT guy, right? So let's take a look at what we have got installed, and we'll call it a day. All right, real quick, we'll just do a kind of a panoramic here of the kitchen. There's the uppers, there's the base cabinets. Now, of course, these cabinets aren't stained yet. These are right out of the box store, like I said earlier. But the refrigerator will go here, and the range will go here. We'll have a range hood go in. Now, I left this blank spot behind because these type of stock cabinets don't come with blind base corners, and they also don't come with a corner cabinet like this top. So this is the next best option, or the only option actually. And then we have the base cabinets. One of the things I don't like about these is that they have one big drawer instead of having two smaller drawers. But that's not a terrible inconvenience. And of course, I showed a picture to some people earlier, and they were talking about how the kitchen cabinets didn't look level with the window, and they are level. I've got the level sitting there. They're relatively level. It's within the bubble. The problem is, in these old houses, as you might know, the floor is not perfect, so you have ups and downs and sags in the floor. So you just have to deal with it. But these cabinets, just standard stock cabinets, and they'll be fine. Now, of course, we haven't adjusted the doors on the cabinets, and we haven't got the countertops installed yet. That'll be coming in another video, another day or week. Not sure yet how long it's going to be before we get to that, because we do have the flooring here. We're going to let it get acclimated and see how long that takes to get it installed. And hopefully we'll also once we get the flooring in, be able to get our doors set. I really would have liked it if you could have seen some of the process that we go through when we're installing the base cabinets, because sometimes it's not just as simple as setting a cabinet and screwing it together. You got to make sure everything is level. You level at the top going horizontally, level it coming out from the wall. Sometimes you got to shim it up from the floor, you got to shim it on the wall sometimes, just to make sure everything is square, so that when you set your countertops, you don't have water running and pooling on the ends or in the back. So I wish I was able to show that, but unfortunately that video was lost for whatever reason, and I'm not going to be able to recover it. So we just have to go with what we've got. But let me let you in on a little secret that I'll be posting another video on probably in the next few days, as soon as I get everything done on it. I did it again. I bought another house that I will be renovating, and the one coming up that I'll be renovating is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath. It's a brick home. It's an older home built in 1961. It's on slab. It not as bad as this one, but it does need some work. We'll be going in and renovating it, but I'm going to be doing a walkthrough with that. But I'll be posting that video probably somewhere in the next week. So be looking for that, and you can see where we're going to be going as soon as we're done with this one. I don't expect we're going to be over here working on this house very much longer. We're just about to the point where we're going to start wrapping up the trim. Now that we've got cabinets set, we've got the painting predominantly done, just a little bit of touch up. We're ready to start the flooring. We're going to let this stuff acclimate for a little while before we lay it in. We're ready for our interior doors, and we got our tiles set. I don't think I've not posted that video yet, but I'll be getting it out. I've not got it out yet, but we've got the tile set in the bathrooms for the tubs and the floors. But it's coming along really well. We'll be done probably in the next few weeks. I don't know how long the videos are going to take to get out, but we'll get them out just as quick as possible so you can kind of see where the progress is and follow along. And if you have any questions, put them below. Don't get many questions. Maybe I explain it well, or maybe nobody cares. Doesn't matter. I kind of do this, you know, kind of for myself and you guys. I mean, I love the people who watch it. Otherwise, what's the point, right? But if you want to see more of this kind of stuff, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification bell. I think it's like right here somewhere. And I will see you next time.